Did you know women need to work harder than men to get visible abs because of higher body fat content? So today in Follow the Fives, I'm going to show you home abs workout routine for women. So let's get started. First up is the plank crawl out. Stand up tall with your feet together and your core engaged. Bend at the hips and try to touch down the floor. As soon as your fingertips hit the floor, walk your hands out until you reach a push-up position. Crawl your way back up to the starting position by inching your hands backwards and picking up your hips to the ceiling. Repeat for at least 10 to 12 repetitions. Now let's try the side plank. Begin on your left side with your elbow directly below your shoulder and your forearm perpendicular to your body. Now, stack your feet or place one in front of the other. Contract your abs and lift your hips off the floor until your body makes a diagonal line from your shoulder to your feet. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds. Number 3, the boat pose. Begin by sitting upright with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back, balancing on your sit bones and lift your legs off the floor. Extend your arms out straight, palms up. Your body will form a V shape. Hold for 30 seconds. Number 4, the alligator drag. Begin in a plank position with your feet on a towel, bag or frisbee. Walk forward using your hands only and dragging your lower body. Keep your core and glutes tight as you move forward. Rest for a minute and then alligator drag back to where you began. Rest and repeat. Repeat for at least 10 to 12 repetitions. Last, we have the reverse crunch. Lie face up on a mat or other soft surface with your knees bent at 90 degrees and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms near your sides with your palms down. Exhale and brace your core. Lift your feet off the ground and raise your thighs until they're vertical. Keep your knees bent at 90 degrees throughout the movement. Tuck your knees towards your face as far as you can comfortably go without lifting your mid-back from the mat. Your hips and lower back should lift off the ground. Repeat for at least 10 to 12 repetitions. So which exercise did you find most enjoyable? Do let us know. But before that, don't forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what's right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.